What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? You already know what's going on. We bringing another banger. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you are a new visitor, my name is Jonathan Derinor, and I'm here to bring you something different. So go ahead, show your boy some love, leave a comment. You already know what to do. So today we'll be customizing Jordan 1 classic all-white shoe, and we're gonna have some fun with it. So today we'll be doing an NBA team theme custom, which are the Atlanta Hawks, and you feel me? About to have a field day on these. So guys, stay tuned for the video. Alright guys, so today we'll be starting off with the classic Jordan 1 all white. You know, just a beautiful shoe, a very classic shoe. Just look at it. We're about to get to work, you feel me? Now we're moving on to prepping the shoe with some acetone. You know, that's a very important step, don't miss that out. Now what you're looking at is the prep work and the stenciling and everything already done. So as you can see, the stencils that are in black. Now we're going on to airbrushing this with some jacquard red paint. Love that. Just working it, making sure we're giving 3 to 4 coats of paint. Now what you're seeing here is me cutting out the Nike check so we can paint that with some yellow. Instead of redoing the whole Nike check, I just thought, yeah, let's just cut it out. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done. We got some yellow jacquard paint. You know, gotta shake it up well. Now moving on to that Nike check. Same process, you wanna give it about 3 to 4 coats. There you go, that nice vibrant yellow. Box with yellow. Going to work, you feel me? Yo, thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you enjoyed it, if you liked it, go ahead, express that in the comment section below. So you feel me? Express to me how you felt about the video. Also, if you have any ideas or any customs you like me to do, go ahead, leave it down in the comment section below. I will reply to you. And also, don't forget to follow my Instagram at Derinor, where I post customs, I post behind the scenes, a whole lot of stuff. So go follow your boy on the gram. And also, one last thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Alright guys, that's all I got for you guys. Have a blessed year.